Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I am making a Father's Day gift that you could easily make with older child. This is not something that little kids could do. I mean, you could possibly do it with little kids, but not the writing. Maybe they can paint a picture on it of some sort or do handprints. But I have cut two fence boards, so one fence board in half that I had laying around in the house, sanded down the edges, and then I had another piece of wood that I had cut so I could attach them together. For this project, you will also need these hooks, which I picked up at dollar store. And I am not sure how many I'm going to attach yet. I'm pretty sure most likely 3 of them, but I'm not 100% sure. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and then I will do stenciling on top. It's super simple. It doesn't take very long to make this, and I think it'll be a great gift for your dad, your grandfather, any father figure in your life. Before I attach them, I wanted to make sure that they are spaced out equally between each other and from the edge of the wood. And I use a measuring tape to determine this. To screw them in, I just used the screws that came with the little hangers. Now, originally I was going to have my sister make me a stencil since she has the new Cricut machine, but she couldn't figure it out. So I ended up printing it out on a paper and realizing it was too small, so I just kind of copied it down by looking at it and making it a little bit bigger. I think at the end it turned out great, but definitely there are easier ways to do this. Once I was done with the pencil and I was satisfied with the way the lettering worked, I used this is an actual makeup brush, angled makeup brush, to paint the letters on. Since I was still left with quite a bit of room between the hangers and the lettering, I decided to add a pig. So I traced a pig I just found a pig online and I traced it, cut it out, and then I used a screwdriver to trace it, to kind of copy or trace it onto the board. This is also a way that you can do the lettering as well. Another way that you can do is rub a pencil on the back side and then just trace it with another pencil at the front side, and it will transfer onto the board. So I'm using a permanent marker to outline the pig. Once the project was done and had a chance to dry a little bit, I flipped it over and attached a nautical rope that I had left over from a previous project, and I'm using a electric staple gun to secure the rope to the board. And this can be as long as you want. If you have a lot of wind in your area, you don't want it to be too long, but this is I made it. Well, you'll see at the end how long mine ended up being. And here is my project. I think it turned out super cute. My husband loves it. It is in a high wind area, so I might have to shorten the rope a little bit, but it hasn't caused a problem yet. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, press the notification button so you don't miss out on any of my videos that I post. Until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.